In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method to your KFC app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up the KFC app as we normally would. And now from here, I'm just going to show you. So if I click onto more on the bottom right hand corner of the screen, there's no spot to add a payment method here. So if I go into my account, scroll down, there's no actual spot to add a payment method. So what we need to do is create an order. So order something on KFC. So I'm just going to do a pickup. Now I'm just going to choose a suburb that's near my location. All right, so I'm going to order here from KFC Maya Center. And now it's a pickup. So I'm going to click on view menu. And basically, to add a payment method to KFC, we just got to make an order first. So I'm just going to order this Zinger Crunch Twister. I'm going to click add to order. And now I want to view my cart. And now I'm going to scroll down and click on checkout. Then it'll give you like the checkout summary, order summary. And now I need to go down and select payment. And then we've got two different ways to make a payment or add our debit or credit card or payment information. So we can do credit card or PayPal or Google Pay. And now just put in your card number, expiry date, and CVV number, and click on Pay 9 or click on Pay. And then that's how to add in your payment method into KFC.